Hey friend, in this video I'm going to be going over our letter keyword sounds for our phonics group. So we will be going over vowels, consonants, and digraphs, which are two letters that combine to make one new sound. So I'm just going to be showing you a card. I will say letter keyword sound, you will repeat it, and you can pause if you need to. I'm also going to be giving some reminders about certain letters as we go through this. You should be practicing this every day, even if we haven't gotten to review together in an in-person lesson. It is going to be really helpful for you to already know the letter keyword sounds when we meet on Zoom, okay? So these are not in alphabetical order. These are in the order that they get introduced in your student readers, so just keep that in mind. We are not going in alphabetical order, but we are going in the way that we introduce them every week, okay? So the first one, A, apple, A. F, fan, L, lamp, L. N, net, N. S, snake, S. R, rat, R. So keep in mind this one is R and not R. We just say R. M, man, M. I, itchy, I. D, dog, D. G, game, G. P, pan, P. So this one is just air coming out of your mouth. P, P, pan, P. T, top, T. Same thing, just air. T, top, T. O, octopus, ah. B, ball, B. U, up, H, hat, J, jump, J. C, cat, K. E, elephant, E. K, kite, K. V, van, V. W, wet, W. X, fox, X. Just a reminder, this is the sound that X makes at the end of words, not at the beginning. So this X, X sound is only going to be used at the end of words. Y, yellow, Y. Z, zebra, Z. SH, ship, sh. Now we're getting into the digraphs. CK, sock, K. And again, this is a CK digraph, and it's only used at the end of syllables or words. Sock, okay? CH, chin, ch. TH, thumb or think. This one is a little bit funny. It looks like a backwards P. It should have a little stick here. This is a Q, U. Q, U, queen, qu. So these two are always together. We can't have Q without the letter U. Q, U, queen, qu. And WH, whip, w. You'll notice that this one is a little bit tricky because it makes the exact same sound as W, so we'll get into that a little bit more in our Zoom lessons. Thank you for watching. Make sure you're practicing your letter keyword sounds as much as you can, and I look forward to seeing you in Zoom.